I mean, we live in the wealthiest country on earth. We're proud of it, as we should be. But surely we can do better than what the Republican health care bill promises. Every American should be asking their Republican senators one simple question this weekend. Why do the wealthy deserve a tax cut more than we deserve health care? How's that? Right there. Meaner. What they're trying to do here, this is a nasty bill, and they're trying to cover it up with little things here and there. So, you know, states won't require, those states that asked for additional Medicaid won't be required to drop out instead of, 2020 later. But they start cutting Medicaid immediately. It's, they're trying to disguise. If they had the courage of their convictions, it would be a totally different bill.
Abundantly clear exactly why Senate Republicans have been. My read of the bill is very clear that people will not have the protections of pre-existing conditions. There are opt-outs in there, so we'll go back to the time when people want to buy insurance and find out that it doesn't cover what they thought it did. And believe me, people don't want to go there, or they will not cover pre-existing conditions. In one way, by not covering them. In another way, by charging them more. So all of a sudden you find out if you want to buy maternity coverage or mental health, you're going to have to pay as much as, $1,000, like I said, for maternity care to get that coverage. That is not what we have today. They're taking away coverage for people.
For it, and we'll have more analysis on this short. Not once have I or my colleagues been asked by a single Republican to work on this bill or discuss fixes, bipartisan fixes, to the Affordable Care Act. The statement this morning that Democrats refuse to work with the other side is not just a fiction, it is a gross fiction, and you probably get my sense of the drift on that.
Murray's fault. It is not Senator Wyden's fault.